Meteorologist Chesley McNeil standing by. We got a lot of rain this morning here around Metro Atlanta. We're hoping they get it in South Florida or South Georgia too.
Yeah, they really need it. In fact, the drought down there is exceptional, right? And so they really need it. I wouldn't say more than we do, but certainly as much as we do. They need it. But we have, some widespread showers in our area today. In fact, we have a level 5 weather impact alert for you this morning, mainly due to another line of showers and thunderstorms that will move into the area later on tonight. Those thunderstorms could be strong to severe. Certainly, we want the rain from this, but the wet weather is certainly welcome. But any thunderstorms, especially severe thunderstorms, that could be touch and go for us, especially with the timing of this. We're expecting those to come into the area later on tonight. And so that's going to be a while a lot of people are sleeping. And so we have to be on the lookout. Got a ball game tonight, Truist Park. They got the tarp down now, so helping to cover up the field. We'll catch a break from this rain as we head into the afternoon, and then expecting more to come back after about 8 or 9 o'clock. Here's a better look at what we have on the radar right now. Had a line of thunderstorms, nice little line. It was very strong back off to the north and west of us. As it moved into the state, began to break up a little bit and continue to break up as it heads further down to the south. Not as connected as it was. And even back behind that line, we still have some very heavy to moderate rainfall coming down. The heaviest of which is down just to the south and east of the city now. You can see some of those thunderstorms, numerous thunderstorms continuing to head a little bit further down to the south. Back behind it, you got some light to moderate rainfall coming down, covering up just about all of North Georgia, which is good news. And again, a good soaker like this is what's needed to put a dent, at least, in the drought. This is certainly not going to knock it out, but certainly will put a dent in things as the system is much larger than our area itself. So you're looking at temperatures in the 50s right now, a couple 60s sprinkled in. You got 60 over toward Peachtree City, 61 degrees down toward LaGrange, 59 degrees in Atlanta, dropped back down. We were just at 60 degrees, and so that's where we're going to bottom out before those temperatures start to rise back up. We do have a southerly flow out of a front that's going to be making its way down into the area. Ahead of this front with that southerly wind, even with the clouds in place, I do think temperatures will heat up close to 80 degrees for the afternoon high temperature. Now, the more breaks we receive, the higher that temperature can go. The Storm Prediction Center placing a level 3 threat, that tan area that you see, or what we call an enhanced risk for places like Dallas to Jackson, Mississippi, up into Memphis. That's the area where we have a level 3 threat. Now, the level 2 threat extends over much of Alabama and into our far northwestern counties, and a level 1 threat for the metro area. That's a good indication that those storms will be weakening as they begin to push in. Here's the good news. This is a good sight right here. You got a chance for rain each and every day, all right, which means we're going to remain unsettled. And some good chances, right? 70% chance tomorrow morning, very early, down to a 20% chance on Thursday, but Friday back up to a 50% chance, 60% chance as we head into the weekend. Here's how it plays out. Forecast track model shows that rain pushing through. By the time we get to noon today, a lot of that will have subsided, got out of our way. Notice the breaks in the clouds up there to the north of the city of Atlanta. When we get some of those in here, that'll help to boost that temperature up. And then after about 8 or 9 o'clock, here it comes. Another round of showers with thunderstorms, some of which could be strong to severe, so we'll watch out for the wind speeds with that. That could lead to some power outages. Of course, stay in your home, folks, and just bear this one as it moves through and gets out of the way. We're expecting by Wednesday, certainly into Thursday, things to begin to settle down. Maybe even get some sunshine in here by Wednesday afternoon to help that temperature get back up to 80 degrees for a high once again. 75 for the high on Thursday. By Friday, we're down to the 60s. 68 on Friday. Saturday, 65. Both days with a decent percentage for rain. We'll take that. We'll dry it out as we head into the beginning of next week with those temperatures warming back up once again, Dan.
Okay, we'll be interested to see how much we finish with today and really in the coming days and what kind of dent this does.
Absolutely.
Chesley, thanks.